With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculation and science-supported digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain framework world, while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed, right now administering the Atom digital currency trades. Cosmos Network is flooding ahead with delicate Mint Center and its interesting Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure, having proclaimed its speculation worth $15 million. Cosmos digital currency can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos Network helps the development of Atom token, Cosmos digital currency, all the more famously known by its local symbolic atom, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market, performing supernatural occurrences. Before we start with real Cosmos cost expectation, how about we actually take a look at definite outline of the coin? Cosmos, the secret decoded. Cosmos is depicted as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights shrewd agreement usefulness as well as offers a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any go-betweens involved. Cosmos biological system additionally contains Cosmos Center. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Cosmos blockchain. Cosmos Network utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine issue lenient agreement model to approve exchanges. Cosmos is a token on the Cosmos Center point. Atom tokens are utilized for security purposes, blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this digital currency. The whole peculiarity and crucial focal point of Cosmos is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view as well as involving Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples which can be based on the stage. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and dApps, and consistent turns of events and redesigns. Cosmos, authentic information and specialized investigation. Unpredictability is the sign of any digital currencies, as is valid for Cosmos too. In December 2019, Cosmo began its slow however consistent exhibition. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and bull run in walk 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way. The pandemic appears to have made way for Cosmos with its remarkable presentation. Cosmos has beaten a record gain according to crypto conjectures by accomplishing the cost of Cosmos to $6.50, finishing strong for exchanging. The help level is $29.93 and obstruction level is $33.32. News: in light of our cost expectations and Cosmos cost examination, a drawn-out increment is normal at Cosmos value. The guess for 2026 is $173.33 in view of the ongoing development. With a 5-year speculation, the cost activity income is supposed to be around plus 380.81% in the Cosmos cryptographic money market, as indicated by our Cosmos estimate and specialized examination. The Atom could exchange around $44.95 toward the finish of 2022 and $73.68 by 2025. In view of the ongoing cost and our Atom cost expectation information, the Cosmos cost has been on an upswing for the beyond 1 year. Our cost forecasts bring a few factors into records, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. Future Atom cost is anticipated at $73.55 following a year as per our cost conjecture. In light of our Atom cost expectation, the most extreme worth may be around $33.52, a base cost of $26.19 toward the finish of 2022. The typical Cosmos cost for December 2022 may be $21.70. Cosmos cost figures toward the finish of 2023 may be around $46.60. The Cosmos cost is determined to reach $30.12 by the beginning of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $37.65. Lease cost $25.60. In view of our Atom value expectation and cost examination, the future cost of the Cosmos coin could cross $38 before the current year's over temporarily. As per news in our Atom cost forecast, a ton of Atom projections are in the pipeline anticipating discharge. Right from the start idea search stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a ton of new ventures would have been finished. Subsequently, by and large around bullish value expectations of crossing an unequaled high of digital money cost $31.47, setting out additional open doors to exchange. Purchase Cosmos, making it a productive speculation. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has reflected gigantic energy. Toward the finish of January 2021, the Atom coin denoted a sharp spike to $25, yet from that point forward, it plunged to $17. Then, from last month, Cosmos again denoted a gigantic meeting and enlisted another unsurpassed high of $32.14. Nonetheless, as of late, it confronted a sharp decay. Cosmos cost today weights around $30.26 with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a coursing supply of 286,370,297 atoms. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $31.06. Cosmos Value Expectation 2022. As per Atom expectation, with numerous organizations and joint efforts in local areas subsidizing, the digital money market glances back at Atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $63, which is very hopeful yet unquestionably plausible toward 2022 in the momentary's end. Cosmos Value Expectation 2023. With any progressions in GOFT, approaches and guidelines, the Atom cost might have its portion of cloudy days. In the event that Atom cost holds the help at the 100 SMA immovably, purchasers will then have more than adequate chance to sell Cosmos for acquiring benefit and steadiness. In the primary, around 50% of the cost may be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of Atom may be around $75. Cosmos Value Forecast 2024. Hustling up to peak won't be thus so challenging for Cosmos cost, as extra short, medium, and long-haul value targets can be found to trade Atom. Beginning with at least $63 in the drawn out, it might cross $90. Cosmos Value Forecast 2025. A TOM USD, however, dove yet in view of forecasts and opposition level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for Atom is the huge expansion in the quantity of Atom coins stored into the agreement. In the principle, around 50% of the cost may be $81. Cosmos cost is set to give promising indications, arriving at a peak of $105 toward the finish of 2025. Cosmos Value Forecast 2026. Updates will push the versatility of the Cosmos organization to one exchanges each second, moving the blockchain business from energy serious approach. As per Cosmos cost expectations, in the principal half of the year 2026, the cost could reach to $90. The blockchain network is really famous with various undertakings based on it. Given the progressions are kept up with, we can see the cost of Atom to reach $120, making it an untouched high in the following 5 years. How does Cosmos Atom cost gain importance on the lookout? Only the trust of financial backers has made a vertical flood in the Cosmos Atom cost, demonstrating its legitimacy against rivals. As in aforementioned expectations, Cosmos has endured the trial of times and merits financial backers' well-deserved cash to purchase and for exchanging. Might Cosmos Atom at any point make you rich? For sure, Atom could end up being an entirely significant and maintainable type of revenue gave you plan every one of your ventures carefully and decisively. As a digger or standard financial backer of the cash, Atom could end up being a reasonable venture counsel in the long haul. There is no tried or demonstrated approach to getting rich rapidly, however, putting resources into Atom could demonstrate advantageous. Is Cosmos a contender to Ethereum? No, Cosmos embraces Ethereum and makes spans between the two environments. Is Cosmos a wise speculation? Indeed,